Okay. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, for today's session, I'm gonna show you how to record your video, demo video using ClassIn and Voog. So first, let's go to ClassIn. Okay. Ayan. So sa ClassIn, guys, ang gagamitin lang naman natin is yung Blackboard. Mhm. Okay. Yeah. So there you go. Ito yung um, Blackboard ng ClassIn. And in my previous video, um, I showed you guys kung paano gumawa ng virtual background. So, pwede natin yung gamitin dito sa ClassIn. But if you prefer using your background, pwede din. Yeah, but in my demo video, gumamit po ako ng virtual background. So, yung ginawa ko guys is ginamit ko yung camera ni ClassIn. So, I'm gonna turn off my video sa OBS Studio. Okay, for a while. Alright, so, and let me turn on my video in ClassIn. Okay, turn it on. Tada! Hello, everyone! Okay, so, eto na guys. Eto na guys. Ayan, so, palakihin lang natin. Maybe ganyan kalaki. And since we already have our virtual background, we can use that. So here, beside the camera icon na ay arrow, so merong arrow dyan, click that, go to settings, and click virtual background. So, and then upload natin yung ginawa nating virtual background from Canva. Okay, so hanapin ko muna. Okay, so ito yung sa akin. Tada! So, pwede mo ding, palakihin or paliitin, pero mas prefer ko ito. Mhm. So, let's click OK. And click this one. Okay? Ayan, may virtual background na tayo, everyone. Okay, so ayan. Na-set up na natin yung video virtual background. Okay. And how about the content? Okay, let's go to the content. And so dito guys, meron kayong makikitang cloud na icon. So click that. Yes, and if you haven't downloaded your material, you can click upload. Yes. Click upload and then file and go or look for the file nga imuhang i-upload. So, asa man ka? Nara ko diri. Mhm. So, look for the file and then click. Tsaka mag-a-upload yan dito sa ClassIn. So, ganun lang po kasimple. Mhm. I'm gonna show you para dili jud makuan. Para perfect na perfect. Bagal mo naman teacher, oy. So, download. Magpay. All right, so this one. So this is the material that we used in our demo video. So click that one, open, and yeah. So there you go, nag-upload na siya. Let's just wait for some time. Mabilis lang yan guys. So 29%, 30%. Fast forward nyo lang yung video. Okay? Alright. Bagal niya to. Bagal. Okay. Yung ano, yung sa ate ko, naggawa din siya ng demo video. Pero yung ginamit niya is ito, yung material. Can all birds fly? But yung sa akin, can only birds fly? Yung title. So, mabagal talaga ano. Mhm. Mabagal siya, oy. So, yeah. By the way, pasensya na po kayo sa ano, yung Tagalog ko. Di po masyadong fluent. Hala, uy, bagal jud siya ay. Madto para batag verb. Okay, anyhow, I'm just gonna show you how's my, yung setup ko dito sa class in. So, let's just use this material. Same lang naman sila ng step. Okay, so let's click that one and there you go. So, you can adjust this. So, ganito yung ginawa ko sa akin. Pwede naman tong palakihin, ganyan. Mhm. Para visible din siya, no? So, ganyan yung setup ko sa class in everyone. And sa class in po, ang ganda lang po kasi niyang gamitin kasi may mga button na dito eh. Yeah. So, itong button yung ginamit ko. Tada! Ganyan-ganyan lang. Alright. And you can also use these icons. So, meron siyang text. You can write blah, blah, blah. And you can also erase that if you'd like. So, click that and delete button. Ganun. If you want to highlight something or underline something, you can use this brush button. You can also delete that. Yes. Alright. So, ganun lang. Easy dito sa class in kasi. So, remember everyone, sa class in, ginamit ko yung camera niya, not the microphone. Okay? So, since we are done setting up our class in, let's go to setting up. Ay, bahala naman sa grammar. Okay, let's go to verb. Okay, let's minimize this one. Minimize. Okay. So, let's go to verb everyone. Okay, so sa verb naman tayo. So, sa verb everyone, meron ditong start button. So, you can easily, conduct classes or record a video directly. All right. So, wait lang po. And, ayan na. Okay, PC audio. All right. So, sa class in, meron tayong ito, record, I mean the microphone button. So, you can click this. Yet? Not yet. All right. Sorry, let's go to settings first. Yes, and we have here the audio. Yes, so the audio button. Mhm. Okay, we have here the audio button, and I just want to emphasize, guys, sa noise reduction and audio enhancement, I use high for extreme noisy. So that is why maganda yung recording ko. Okay? And another thing is the recording button. All right. So in the recording button, make sure that you click these buttons right here. I mean this square. Okay. So if you want to have an MP3 of your recording, you can also click this, also record audio files. So may mga company na ang hinihingi lang nila is yung um, introduction or audio introduction. So walang video. So you can use this. Yeah. So also For the demo video, make sure na you tick this box. Oh, ayun, tick this box di ay. And for the video, um, since guys, we already use the class in camera, there's no need for us to click the video or use the camera here in VUB. Okay? Okay. Okay. Yes. So we won't be using VUB. Okay? Yeah. And so let's start the all right, the recording. Here's a VUB. Okay, so first, let's share the screen. Okay, so i-share natin yung sa class in. So, saan ka class in? Okay. And then, share PC audio. You can also tick this button, video smoothness. Alright, so share mo na yan. So, ganyan siya, guys. And, ito yung makikita nyo. Okay? Yes, okay. And also, to start your recording, okay, just click record. Okay? Yeah, so click record and mag-re-record na yan. So, cloud recording, enable. So, ayan, nagre-record na yan. So, hello everyone! Welcome to my class. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Ayan. Tapos, pag mag-annotate kayo, remember, use class in. Okay? Yes. So, I guess, yun lang. Okay, meron pa. Paano daw yung recordings? Paano nyo i-extract? Alright, so let's stop recording. Click the end button. So, guys, maski po na nag-start na kayo sa VUB, as long as you didn't click record, hindi yan mag-re-record yung video nyo. Okay? Okay. Alright. So, let's end, guys. Ayan. End recording. So, natapos na yung recording session. And you can also stop sharing. Okay? So, we are done. Okay, we are done with the recording session. Okay, so let me end the meeting here in VUB. Okay. So, end meeting. So, ayun na guys. Ayun na. And, okay, let me end this one as well. Okay, there you go. So, guys, paano nyo i-extract yung recordings niyo sa VUB? Just go to recordings. Ayan. At makikita nyo yung recent na video recordings ninyo. So, just click this. Yan. So, may magpa-pop up dito. Oh, ganun pa lang pala. Okay. Yeah, let me check. So, ayan. Nagre-record na yan. So, hello everyone! Welcome to my class. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Okay, so I think this is the video. And i-download natin to guys. Just click this button, download button. At saka video content. Okay? So, nag-export na siya ng video. And here you go. So, meron na tayong demo video. So, ayan. Nagre-record na yan. So, hello everyone. Okay. So, I hope, you've learned something from me. And I hope everyone you will pass your demo video kung saang platform man kayo nag-apply. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys na makapasar. Bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye-bye.